Ball Control Mastery Part 2. So this is the part 2 of our ball control mastery series, in which we are only talking about how you can improve your ball control with right techniques and proper drills. Now which are some football drills that you can practice daily, which will surely help you to improve your ball control. So how to do the first drill? In this drill you have to run forward and backward, but like this with the ball. First do it slowly, and that with jumping forward, backward. When you are rolling, you have to jump, jump, jump. So try to do this fast. In the proper technique you can learn from viewing it from the different angles. There are some tips for you guys for the mistakes that you will make during this drill. So you have to keep the ball really close to your body. You don't have to do like this. The ball is too far away from your body and you are doing like this. You will not be able to do it properly. You have to keep the ball close to your body like this. And when you are going forward, you have to diagonally move the ball forward like this. You don't have to horizontally keep the ball rolling like this, because by this way you will not go forward. You have to roll the ball diagonally, a little bit diagonally, and keeping the ball close to your body with proper balance. When you will see the video from different angles, from all the angles that we have shown, you will get it. Second one, in this drill you have to do tapping like this, fastly, slowly, forward, backward. The things that you have to keep in mind is that you have to do the tapping diagonally, not horizontally. If I do horizontally, I will do the drill at the same place. If I will do diagonally, I will move forward like this. Diagonally. Diagonally means like this. And you have to keep the ball close to your body, not too far away from the body. There are some mistakes that you can make like this. Like you are keeping the ball very far away from your body, so you will not be able to do like this. The ball will go away. So when you will keep the ball close to your body, you will be able to do it properly like this. Forward, backward. The ball should be just below your face while coming backward also. While coming backward, the ball should not come in between your legs. It should be just below your face. So you have to make control and make proper movements with proper technique. So for how long you have to perform these drills and how to use these drills in the match, or which time you should do, all these things depends on you. You can manage yourself, because if I will say you that you have to practice only 10 minutes or 20 minutes, this will put a limit on you and you will not be able to exceed, because training doesn't matter how much time you give, it all depends on your heart. Next drill, this is a really useful drill, so you can try like this. In this, as you can see, I am doing step overs. So step over you can use in match in every situation to cut past the defenders. So it will improve your step overs. So you have to tap the ball with the outsole of your foot, of your right foot first, and do a step over, and with left foot then do a step over, right foot step over. So you have to do this thing very fast, and you have to move forward diagonally, not at the same place, and you have to do full drill like this. Now I will tell you how you have to come back. When you have come to this position, you have to turn like this. You have to do the same thing again. The one thing that you have to keep in mind in all these ball control training drills, you have to do it fast, because if you will do it fast, you will improve. That's all for now. In the next part of this ball control mastery series, we will meet you with another video in which we will tell you some more ways to improve your ball control. Which is the best shairi or quote that we have chosen from the last video, and it's by Tejas Devidas. And the quote is, the more harder and with patience you practice something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it. Sometimes it's going to be hard in the beginning, but hard doesn't mean impossible. So bros, if you guys also have some inspiring quote or shairi, you can also comment down in our video, which can motivate our audience. If you want to see the full playlist of how to improve your ball control, you can see it on the screen. There's a link of the playlist. You can go and watch it. So till next time, do football practice, do freestyle practice, do ball control training, because it's football time.